Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you how I did my croquis with the hair. This might be a little long, but I'm going to try to explain what I did. So what I did is that I imported a model from the internet, and this is actually free usage. So I can utilize this model without worrying about copyrights. So what I did is went ahead and uh, used the shape tool here and used the rectangular marquee tool. And then what I did is I left click, drag, and select the face. And then what I did is I right click and then I went to edit, and what I did is copy and paste. So I already did that. Uh, so now you see what I have here. So what I did is I usually do is I work with what I have. In this case, what I did is I went ahead and changed her whole look. So this is what I did. I actually saw that middle part of her hair. I went down, scooted over, got her nose in one half, and then what I did is I edit, copy, and paste. So now I have actually the item that I really want to work with, so I can actually delete this top one for now and work with this one. Now, what I did was very interesting. I actually made a duplicate of this. So I right click and then I did edit. And then what I did is I did right click. Let me see if this is right. Yeah. Right click, isolate it. Let me see. So what I did is I did layers, excuse me, and then let me see. I want to duplicate this. So what I want to do, excuse me, go down here, and then duplicate layer. So now I have two of the right. Okay, so to the right. What I'm going to go ahead and do is flip this, edit, transform, horizontal flip, and now I'm going to create a new face. So I'm going to work with what I have here, and I want to see, like right there is what I want. Create a new face. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and work with what I have here. So we're not supposed to do close our layers. So in order for me to work with this even further, I have to close the layers because I'm working on a new face. So meaning that I'm going to merge the layers down, just only that top one. So now I have one whole face. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in, increase the size, and I'm going to use my my smudge tool, which is, I do believe, right here. Yeah, it's the eyedropper and the smudge tool. And I'm going to go to the top and select maybe, I want to say, this 37 size. And I'm going to smudge this over so it blends. Maybe that's just too much. See, the eye is actually blurring. I don't want that. So go to edit, undo smudge, edit, undo smudge, and I think I'm going to lower my size of my brush. I'm using just the standard brush, but I'm not using the hard one. I'm using the soft one. So I'm going to smudge this so it blends in. You don't see that harsh line. Okay. Now I'm done. Now what I'm going to do is zoom out, and you can actually fix it by using the the smudge tool, so her nose would be straight. But her hair, we're talking about the hair. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the magic wand. This is my favorite tool. It is actually right here. It's magic wand, and I'm going to make sure I'm in the right layer, and see, there we go. And I'm going to click the backs, and I'm going to delete. Click the back, I'm going to delete. Okay, so now I have just the head selected. I'm going to go to the top, Control D to deselect, and I am going to do this. This is a trick of mine. I usually don't say but I'm going to use the marquee tool, but I'm going to use a circular, and I'm going to drag it onto the area of the hair that I want. Edit, copy, edit, paste. And you automatically see a new hair, which is that. I go back to the, to get out of that, and then I'm going to move that up. Control T, select all, and I want to make it bigger. So that's how I do my hair, and you can actually do it any way you want. You can stylize it, but at the last of this, I want to show how I did the painting on the face to make it look like oil paint. And you can do this. You could do the circle, or you can do Control T for all of it, and use the marquee, the warp, W-A-R-T. So you're going to do right click, warp, and you can do funky styles that you want. Okay. Okay, so how do you clean this up? You use the eraser tool. Make sure you're on a hard setting, because you don't want to do the soft setting because it's going to blur, and you want to erase. See how I did that? Can erase. You get any style that you like. So I hope this works out, you guys. Thank you. Bye. Everyone stay safe.